Byron Brown joining us once again, and appellate attorney Matthew Barhoma. Okay, so we're hearing more from Justin Meacham, and we are kind of getting this picture of these personal connections involved in this case. You know, there was that local politician who came to the scene to look at the shell casings and so forth. So when you couple that and this history of tension, really, between Calvin Phillips, one of the victims, and the defendant, Christian Martin, how does that fare for everything that we're hearing from the defendant's family? Matthew Barhoma, let's start with you.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, a more showing of bias, a more probe for potential bias. You see that the defense is garnering information from the detective that says, well, you didn't know anything about this until you showed up and you just heard about it from perspective bias. They also asked the son, were you frustrated the fact that no one's been charged 5 months later? And were you still looking for information that otherwise would possibly get a conviction on the guy next door? And so ultimately they continue to garner bias, and this is yet another segment of that perspective bias that would eventually come out in this trial.
Okay, and